What's going on, everyone? It's Marcellus back with another video. We got to talk about Baby Doge because we got some technicals to go over and we got some other stuff to go over with Baby Doge as well. So definitely hit that like button and subscribe and leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you don't have the Ledger Nano X, remember, if it's not your keys, it's not your crypto. So definitely go ahead and get that. Check out the link in the description. And also, if you want to become a member of the channel, definitely go ahead and do that. I'll go over any crypto that the members want me to go over first. But yeah, let's get straight to it. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. But let's talk about Baby Doge. So the first thing I want to talk about here with Baby Doge is a few of the stuff that's been going on with Baby Doge. They've been retweeting a lot of different stuff. But over here, this is a post by you today. It says meme coin, Baby Doge, and Dogecoin chosen by Binance Smart Chain whales as the top smart contracts used on the Binance Smart Chain. And the fact that they're the top smart contracts used on a Binance Smart Chain is actually really big for Baby Doge. So this is what most Binance Smart Chain whales prefer to use. And this was actually done by Whale Stats. If you want to check out their website, it says just in Baby Doge, once again, a most used smart contract among the top 100 Binance Smart Chain wallets in 24 hours. So amongst all of the biggest whales inside of the Binance Smart Chain, all of them were just doing Baby Doge and doing Baby Doge amongst like literally above everything else. So this is definitely really big for Baby Doge. But anyways, moving on from this, I want to show something else with Baby Doge over here with FC Pay. They're going to be doing something with Baby Doge and burning, just kind of like how Sheep has its burning mechanisms. Where we're going to have like the same thing with Baby Doge going on. So over here it says the Baby Dogecoin team has reached out to us, and we are beginning talks about potential collaborations, including mechanisms to burn Baby Dogecoin through FCF Pay. So it'll probably be like when you buy something or sell something or something like that, it'll probably do like a little bit of a burn every single time you do that transaction. So that's definitely really good. And on top of that, you can even see over here on Twitter, you're seeing this on the sidebar. It's saying business and finance. So Baby Dogecoin is also trending in business and finance on Twitter. So we're always doing big stuff with Baby Doge. And anyways, we burned $8,780 today of Baby Doge, which is a lot. I mean, it's kind of a lot, 197 quadrillion Baby Doge right now circulating. That's a good amount. And anyways, over here you can also see it shows like your hourly burns. It'll show your last 24 hours burns, the last 7 days, all that good stuff. And big shout out to Ultra243 for posting this, always posting this stuff every single day. But anyways, let's talk about the technical analysis as well with Baby Doge, because as you can see, we're still inside of the supply and demand of less demand. So this is the 4-hour chart, but first let's kind of show what's on the 15-minute chart for Baby Doge. So the first thing you want to look at right now, Baby Doge is actually slowly but surely going up here to this resistance area. This is the supply and demand of less demand. That's what we have whenever we're in these red areas. So we're actually working our way up to there. And actually, if you look at my previous video yesterday, we were somewhere around this area here, and I was letting people know like we're eventually going to get right back up here to the top of this resistance area in our supply and demand of less demand, because that's pretty much where we have less demand, is where we get rejected at for our rise inside of Baby Doge. So we will probably end up getting rejected here again, and we may go a little bit lower and maybe touching the bottom of this trend line here because we're inside of a consolidation period. But like if we do not go down, then you got to look at the bullish side or the bullish scenario, which would then bring us up here to this next red bar. And that's our next supply and demand area of less demand. So that's where we'll more than likely be going next if Baby Doge, continues to go up. And if we break past this resistance, then that's where we could go next after that resistance. And that'll pretty much be all the way up here at 0, I'm not going to even say all the zeros, way too many zeros. But anyways, it's all the way up here around 1550. That's where our resistance is. So it'll be around 8Z1550. That's where our next resistance will be if we pass the resistance that we have right now. And the one that we have right now that I was talking about, I didn't mention the actual number for it, but I'll go ahead and do that. The actual number for it is around 1425. So around 1425, that's our resistance. We're at 1407. So we have that possibility to still get back up there to 1425. And then if we break past that, then we'll have all the way up here at 1550. And then if we pass that, then we have the trend line that we have all the way up here, and that is all the way around 1740. And then the actual resistance will be around 1770. But the consolidation trend line is over at 1740. So if we break out of that, that's when we become bullish. That's when we start to ramp up all the way up here to this next area of 2300, if we even have enough momentum to get up there. But anyways, remember, this is just the 15M chart. If I show the 4-hour chart, it'll look a lot different. Now, when you look at the 4-hour chart, you see the bulls are still in control. The 24-hour market control by 60%. So it still shows that it's 60% bullish. And on top of that, we are still inside of the red right now, which is showing that we have less demand. So there's always the possibility that we break out of the consolidation on the downside. So I don't want everyone thinking that it's just going to be 100% bullish from here. Even though we all want it to be bullish, it could do anything like this and then just go randomly down to the next support and go out of our consolidation pattern. So anything can happen, like I said. And right now, there's just not enough demand for baby Doge, and there's not enough demand for crypto in general right now. And that's kind of why we're seeing us ending this consolidation like this. I really want to see it ending on the upside with the consolidation, and I want to see it break out into a positive bullish pattern. But it's always a possibility that we break out into a negative bearish pattern. But remember, this is just short term. You got to remember that, because in long term, baby Doge is obviously going to be bullish. And the same thing with Bitcoin and all the other major cryptos. They're going to be bullish in long term. And right now we're seeing like some of the bullish rally, if you want to call it that, within the last week. But now things are kind of calming down. They're moving sideways. So we'll see what happens next. And also, Bitcoin, I forgot to mention. So if you look over here at the Bitcoin oscillator, it shows that the purchasing is starting to get smaller. So this purchasing wave is smaller than this one. So you can see right here, this purchasing wave is smaller than this one. That means that this next purchasing wave after our selling wave comes, it's going to be smaller than both of those, which will probably look something like that. And then we'll have more selling. And that's exactly what's probably about to happen. And you got to think about it. Our consolidation is happening right now. So it kind of confirms that we're going to be going down into a negative bearish trend, and we're probably going to be going down from here. So out of the consolidation, we're probably going to be, going down, because as you can see, the selling or the buying starting to wane down, and now we're starting to get that selling coming in. And then after this third pattern, it's going to be small, and then we're going to have the major selling coming. So you definitely want to prepare for that. I don't know how long it's going to last. It's probably not going to last too long, but we'll probably be very bullish like very soon after that. But yeah, it's probably not going to last too long. Anyways, let's go ahead and look over here at the 15-minute chart for Bitcoin. Kind of look at the short term for Bitcoin. So right now we do have immediate resistance all the way up here at 21.8K for Bitcoin. And then we have another resistance line all the way up here at about 22.4K for Bitcoin. But, like I said, I think everything is probably about to be a bull trap right here. I think we're about to go back down to this next area inside of Bitcoin. And that next area that I was talking about is all the way down here. This is the next support for Bitcoin. And that's all the way down at about 20.7K. So we'll probably see a Bitcoin going down to that level if this is a bear trap or a bull trap and we continue to go down. But yeah, anyways, this is all I got for you all today. Definitely go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. If you want to become a member of the channel, definitely go ahead and do it. I'll go over any crypto that the members want me to go over next, as long as it's not some kind of scam coin. And also remember, if it's not your keys, it's not your crypto. So you definitely want to get that Ledger Nano X or the S, whatever one floats your boat. But you definitely want to get you a hardware wallet, because you've seen what happened to Voyager. So definitely check out the link in the description. And also, this video is brought to you by Marcellus.beatstars.com. If you need any background music for your YouTube videos, or if you just need beats for your music, I got you. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. As always, I'll be back with another video.